So since the GoPro Hero 8 came out, there is a new exciting accessory called GoPro Media Mod, which is this one that a lot of video makers and vloggers started to love. This accessory turns your GoPro Hero 8 or Hero 9 as well into a production powerhouse with demountable media mod. It features a built-in directional microphone and a 3.5mm port for attaching other types of microphones. It's right here. And then you can also use the HDMI out port for easy playbacks on your TV. And there are also two cold show mounts to attach lights, mics, and LCD screens right here and right there, which is pretty cool. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and author of Project GoPro, my online training school where I help people make better videos with action cameras like GoPro. Now let's have a look at the GoPro Media Mod in more details. The Media Mod is a cage-like device that clips around the GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Hero 9, and it has a built-in directional microphone, as you can see it right here. It has different mics inside, directional microphone for vlogging if you activate it, and you can also activate all of the microphones that are inside here to be either directional or omnidirectional. Then, as you can see, and as I mentioned before, it has a lot of ports with which you can connect your GoPro to different devices, and it has also a cold show for like attaching lights and different accessories here. The built-in mic provides a clean audio with reduced wind and ambient noise. It's perfect for vloggers and YouTubers, I would say. You can easily add an additional mic at the back of your GoPro for added sound and clarity using the 3.5mm mic jack. As you can see it here. So this is another mic, and if you want to connect any external mics, you can use the Media Mod, because it has the connector which you can use to connect any mics and improve the quality of the audio. Unlike other models, you cannot connect the Hero 8 or Hero 9 directly to the TV screen using the HDMI cable. For that, you need the Media Mod, which incorporates a USB Type-C port and a micro HDMI output port for mounting or playing back your videos on larger screens. So the Media Mod, essentially, it's a frame that encloses your GoPro inside it. To be able to put this into the Media Mod, you need to remove the battery lid, and then you can just slide it into this cage type thing in the right way, of course. Okay, and that's it. Here you got it. And that's it. Then the GoPro would act and behave as normal, but with a better overall quality, because you can connect different devices and you can do all sorts of things with this Media Mod. Please note that the Media Mod is not waterproof. It is meant for shooting in dry environments only. The rain or water can harm your device as the microphone and ports are exposed. So it is not that useful when it comes for to filming underwater adventures. Overall, it boosts the audio quality and opens new possibility for vloggers. How to set up Media Mod microphones? So in order to set up, you can choose which mic you want to activate and deactivate, because the Media Mod has different mics inside. So in order to select the one that you prefer, you just need to go on, open up the ProTune settings. So tap on custom, access to the settings. I don't know if this is in focus. Let's try to have it in focus, all right. And then what you need to find is the audio section. So mics, as you can see here, tap on mics. And then here you can choose different mics, front mic, back, and stereo, which will use all of them. If you choose front or back, the camera will prioritize the audio coming from only these mics, so either from the front or from the back. In this way you can exclude everything that is behind you and just let the GoPro to capture just your voice if you're vlogging like so. Light mode. As I mentioned before, the GoPro Media Mod is a cage-like device that clips around your GoPro Hero 8 and Hero 9, and it has a built-in directional mics and two cold shows to mount the the display mode and light mode. Now, the light mode provides you with a perfect experience of shooting crisp footage by illuminating the subject in front. It can work as a standalone light, or as I mentioned, can be attached on top of the camera, just like so. This is the light mode. You can just attach it here easily, and if it's night, you can just vlog like this. The light mode is a well-constructed portable gear with strong exterior, and it is waterproof. It's also waterproof up to 33 feet. The light mode is an amazing add-on, even for like long shots and continuous shots. Its battery lasts up to 6 hours, if I remember well, and the footage can be like lit up by 4 levels of light. And trust me, the light, it's quite strong at night. My opinion after 1 year. The Media Mod is surely an amazing add-on to the GoPro, and a must-have if you have a GoPro Hero 8 or Hero 9 and you want to increase the functionality of your camera with a better audio, light, and having more ports. However, the exterior of the Media Mod is not as furnished and rugged as the GoPro camera itself, and it might feel a little bit flimsy at first look. Also, for changing the battery or SD card, you need to first remove the Media Mod and accessories around it to then be able to access, change the battery and things like this. Because yeah, in order to access it, you have to remove it. You have to remove everything first, like so. So it could take quite a little bit of time. The replaced effort of setting up the accessory might seem a little bit tiring, I know, but apart from these little pull downs, it's a fabulous gear, I believe, especially for vloggers and YouTubers. Now here we come to the last question and most important one. Should you buy the GoPro Media Mod right now? The answer is quite simple, I believe. If you are a vlogger, a videographer, a YouTuber, or if you are just like unhappy with the quality of the built-in GoPro microphones, then yes, definitely, absolutely, I suggest you to get a Media Mod, because it changes the overall quality, the sound quality, and the whole experience quite a lot. If you are one of these people, let's say if you use your GoPro for vlogging mainly. While if you use the GoPro sporadically, or you don't record audio directly from the camera, then don't bother so much. You might find cheaper adapters to connect other external microphone or devices to your GoPro if you need to. Alright, I really hope that you find this video useful, and if you have any questions, please just let me know in the comments below. And if you decide to buy the GoPro Media Mod, you can grab it on Amazon through my link below down in the description. Sometimes you might find discounts on it, as when I got it I think it was discounted, so check it out, the link is down below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, like and subscribe, as it will help the YouTube algorithm to show it to other GoPro enthusiasts. And stay healthy, and I hope to see you soon. Ciao!